T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Go for main engine start. 3, 2, 1, 0. And ignition and liftoff of the Atlas V with the Solar Dynamics Observatory.
SDO, the Solar Dynamics Observatory, launched on February 11, 2010, and has been watching the Sun for the last 10 years, providing key insights into what drives the Sun's activity, including the space weather that our astronauts and spacecraft must travel through. During that time, it has witnessed incredible solar events and enabled scientists to make many groundbreaking discoveries about the Sun. Here are some of the highlights. In 2011, scientists spotted a special kind of ripple on the Sun called Kelvin-Helmholtz waves, which look like curling ocean waves. They are also present on the Earth, but aren't the size of the United States. On June 7, 2011, SDO spotted a huge eruption of plasma on the Sun. This was the first time such a large event had been captured in such fine detail. 2 months later, on August 9th, SDO observed one of the most powerful flares of this solar cycle. Flares are intense bursts of radiation caused by the release of magnetic energy. SDO records in many different wavelengths, including one tuned to some of the hottest parts of the Sun, allowing it to see the full extent of these solar explosions. On December 15th, Comet Lovejoy seemed to survive a close pass of the Sun, but broke apart a few days later. In 2012, scientists used SDO's wealth of information to create a new and impressionistic way to further understand temperature change on the Sun. On June 5th, Venus transited the face of the Sun, an event so rare it won't happen again until 2117. In July, SDO's high-resolution and rapid imaging cadence captured a beautiful solar loop, where hot plasma condensed out of the atmosphere, or corona, and stuck to the strong magnetic fields pushing through the surface. On August 31st, the Sun had a huge and beautiful prominence eruption that instantly became iconic. Early in 2013, SDO imagery helped astronomers see the early formation of a coronal mass ejection, or CME, and the reconnection events that result in solar flares.